Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Home Queen Cooking. Today we are making pumpkin soup, so obviously what you're gonna need is one smaller pumpkin, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 small potato, and the secret ingredient, green pepper. This soup is extremely easy to make. Chop everything, try to chop pumpkin in larger pieces, and put everything together in cold water. Cook your soup on a mid-fire for 1 hour. Somewhere halfway, add spices. I just usually put salt and pepper. After 1 hour, divide all of the soup liquid into a special container, but don't throw it away. Use blender to smash cooked vegetables, and once you've done that, pour all of the rest of the liquid together with the smashed vegetables, but just as enough as you think you need. Some people prefer more thick soup, some people prefer it more liquid. You know yourself the best, so play with it. And as a final step, put some butter in your soup, use kitchen blender to dissolve it in your soup, and voila, have a nice meal. Try your soup, and if you think that there's some salt or pepper missing, add it. If you enjoyed this video, click a like on it. If you still haven't, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you on Monday. Until then, stay tuned and stay safe.